Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Here we have an Expobar lever. This unit had a problem with its steam pressure. The top valve up there was going above a 1.5, which means that this unit wasn't recognizing the pressure in the steam. So we replaced the steam valve really quick, the pressure stat valve, which is actually a quick fix. And as you can see here, it's somewhere between a 1 and a 1.5, which is where it should stay. So let's swing the shaft. There we go, feel the pressure. And there we have it. Very easy. Let's open up steam so you can see. There you have it. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thank you.